Have you ever dreamed of a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of innovation? Meet the Huawei Mate X2, a revolutionary device that's rewriting the rules of mobile technology. With its trifold design, this phone seamlessly transforms from a sleek, pocket-friendly device to a massive, immersive display. Whether it's for multitasking, gaming, or watching your favorite content, the Mate X2 delivers an experience like no other. Let's dive into what makes this groundbreaking phone a true game changer. Huawei Trifold, with its advanced capabilities and stunning design, is the ultimate smartphone for power users. This trifold device, which is Mate X2, comes with a new Kirin 9010 5G chipset, which utilizes a 7nm architecture. Reports also affirm Huawei's new Mate X2 trifold handset supports satellite connectivity, enhancing its communication capabilities and maintaining connections in remote areas. You can also run the device on HarmonyOS, particularly version 4.2.0.176, which offers enhanced AI image editing tools and PC-level applications. This device is launched in the premium market with a price tag of $2,800. This device comes with boasted up 16 GB of RAM and a number of camera options, including a 12-megapixel ultrawide and a 50-megapixel main lens. Camera options include a large aperture and impressive 35x macro zoom functionality. Huawei has undertaken a significant rebranding initiative for its flagship smartphone series, transitioning from the well-known Huawei P series to a fresh and innovative identity, known as the Huawei Pura series. This rebranding effort was promptly followed by the highly anticipated launch of the Huawei Pura 70 series. Within this new lineup, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra has emerged as the top-tier model, showcasing impressive power and advanced features that set it apart from its counterparts. While the other three devices in the series, the Pura 70, Pura 70 Pro, and Pura 70 Pro Plus, are also commendable in their own right, the Pura 70 Ultra truly stands out due to its distinctive design and remarkable camera capabilities, making it the ideal choice for photography enthusiasts. The Huawei Pura 70 series encompasses a total of 4 models: the standard Pura 70, the Pura 70 Pro, the Pura 70 Pro Plus, and the flagship Pura 70 Ultra. Each model serves its purpose, but the most notable and advanced option, the Ultra model, distinguishes itself not only with a unique and striking design, but also with a sophisticated camera setup that surpasses the other versions in the series. Following its launch in China, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra has made its way into several global markets, creating a buzz among tech enthusiasts and consumers alike. Now, let's explore the range of impressive features offered by this cutting-edge smartphone. At the heart of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is a remarkable set of specifications, powered by the latest Kirin 910 SoC. This advanced processor was developed in collaboration with SMAC, and although Huawei has yet to disclose every detail regarding its manufacturing process, it is widely believed to utilize a 7nm fabrication, similar to the previously released Kirin 9000S. The 12-core processor not only emphasizes computational prowess, but also includes a more powerful graphics processing unit, GPU, offering enhanced performance for demanding tasks. Furthermore, the device is equipped with an impressive 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient operation. It is available in 2 storage configurations, 5 and 12 GB and 1 TB, but users should note that storage expansion via external means is not an option. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display that boasts an impressive resolution of 2844 by 1260 pixels. Designed to provide an exceptional viewing experience, the display supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth animations and transitions. Additionally, it incorporates high-frequency pulse width modulation, PWM, dimming at 1440 Hz, and features an impressive 300 Hz touch sampling rate for responsive interaction. The flat design of the display is complemented by rounded glass edges, all of which are protected by robust Kunlun glass, providing enhanced durability against accidental drops and scratches. Powering this sophisticated device is a formidable 5,200 mAh battery, supporting various fast charging options to cater to the modern user's needs. Users can enjoy 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and 20-watt reverse wireless charging capabilities, enabling them to power up quickly and efficiently. Accompanying the smartphone in the box is the charger alongside a protective case, ensuring that users have what they need right from the start. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra also possesses an IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability under various conditions. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connectivity and is equipped with a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port for fast data transfer. One of the standout features of the Pura 70 Ultra lies within its exceptional camera setup, which has been meticulously designed to cater to photography enthusiasts and content creators. The main highlight of the camera system is a 50-megapixel retractable main camera that has undergone rigorous durability testing, with a mechanism capable of withstanding an impressive 300,000 cycles. This advanced camera offers a variable aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.00 and employs sensor shift optical image stabilization, OIS, for breathtakingly clear shots, even in challenging conditions. The main sensor is believed to be a 1-inch sensor, likely sourced from Sony, known as the IM989, further enhancing its capability to capture stunning images with exquisite detail. Complementing the primary camera is a versatile 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which features an f2.2 aperture, as well as a 50-megapixel macro telephoto camera equipped with an f2.1 aperture, optical image stabilization, and an impressive 5-centimeter macro mode for detailed close-up shots. The telephoto camera allows users to achieve 3.5x optical zoom, coupled with a remarkable 100x digital zoom, along with support for 4K video recording capabilities and super slow motion recording at an incredible 960 frames per second. For selfies and video calls, the front camera offers a 13-megapixel ultra-wide option with an f2.4 aperture, enhancing the overall photo experience. Regarding the design and build quality of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, it features a premium metal frame and a back crafted from vegan leather, providing an ergonomic and comfortable grip when compared to the slickness of glass smartphones. A unique element of the design is its specially shaped triangle camera island located on the rear, characterized by rounded corners and embellished with Xmage branding alongside the LED flash. All physical buttons are conveniently located on the right side of the device, maintaining user accessibility and aesthetic appeal. In the Chinese market, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is offered in two distinct storage configurations. The 512GB model priced at CNY $999, approximately $1,381, and the 1TB variant available for CNY $10,999, around $500. For consumers within the European Union, it is currently available for pre-order featuring 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, with a price tag of €1,499. Consumers can find the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra available for purchase in both China and the EU, although specific availability may vary by region and market. It is expected that the smartphone will be sold through a range of retailers and carriers, including platforms like Amazon, making it accessible to a broad audience. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is offered in a vibrant selection of 4 colors: Shanson Green, Mocha Brown, Starburst White, and Starburst Black. However, it should be noted that the white variant may not be available in the United States due to the unique regulatory conditions present in the market. Due to restrictions in the United States, consumers will find that the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra does not come pre-installed with mobile services. Instead, it relies on Huawei Mobile Services, HMS, and its app gallery for app distribution. For users who wish to access different applications, incorporating an emulator like G-Space will be necessary to bridge the gap and facilitate the experience. This cutting-edge design of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra not only allows for more efficient multitasking, but also provides users with a compact device that can expand into a larger display when needed. In terms of photography, this smartphone is equipped with top-of-the-line camera capabilities that are sure to impress photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. It includes a remarkable 50-megapixel ultra-lighting pop-out camera designed to capture stunning images in various lighting conditions, alongside a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera that enables users to frame expansive landscapes and large groups with ease, thus catering to a wide range of photographic needs. In addition to its hardware advancements, Huawei's software ecosystem is also receiving notable upgrades with the latest release of HarmonyOS version 4.21176. This update brings with it a variety of improvements and essential security patches that not only enhance the overall performance of the operating system, but also underline Huawei's unwavering commitment to providing an exceptional user experience. The enhancements aim to make the interface more intuitive and user-friendly while maintaining robust security measures, ensuring that users can enjoy their devices with peace of mind. Furthermore, the launch of the new Huawei Pura 70 Ultra marks a significant addition to the Pura 70 series, which is specifically tailored to attract the attention of smartphone is packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology that cater to modern demands for high performance and stylish designs. Early hands-on experiences with this device have revolved around unboxing moments that reveal the meticulous design details and exploring its various functionalities. The product highlights point to the Pura 70 Ultra's premium positioning within the competitive smartphone market, showcasing how Huawei continues to prioritize innovation and quality in its offerings, aiming to provide users with an exceptional device that meets their diverse needs. Now the question is whether or not you should buy the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. The answer largely depends on your usage habits, particularly if you frequently rely on Google's suite of applications and services. It's crucial to consider whether you are prepared to manage without the immediate availability of certain apps that you may be accustomed to. Keep in mind that while Huawei's app gallery has made strides, it remains somewhat limited compared to the vast array of apps found in the Google Play Store. Although Huawei offers access to alternative app stores, the overall user experience is not quite comparable to what Google typically provides its users. This wraps up today's video. See you in the next video.